For those of you who like to charge your phone while you're playing games or scrolling MagicJohn videos on TikTok, you need this cable. It provides stable current output, doesn't get overheat, and also it doesn't destroy your phone's battery. It also has a 4-in-1 design with a Lightning USB and 2 additional Type-Cs, making it compatible with pretty much any device that you can think of. It supports data transfer and also 240 watts of fast charging, which means that you can charge any device that you have at maximum speeds at all times. And this cable is not only fast, but it is also built to last. The connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy and the cable with liquid silicone, so you can pull, bend, twist as much as you like and nothing is gonna happen to these. It comes with a small gift from MagicJohn, its own carry bag. There are 2 colors available, 2 different sizes, and if you like this product, it just costs $5. So just click the yellow card and purchase yours now.